I'm going to show you a quick solution for fabric storage if you have minimal space, okay? These are what's called comic book boards. It's just real thick cardboard or cardstock stuff. I cut them in half. That's what I used to have my fabric on in my fabric cabinet, but I cut that in half. Okay, for yards of fabric, I hope you can see me. Gonna be at the top here. You fold your yard in half and then fold your yard in half again. Okay, sometimes this requires ironing, sometimes it doesn't. Alright, lay your fabric down. Make sure you get it all straight. Then you can also cut your comic book boards or your little slats or whatever from foam board. But I take this, I put it down. It doesn't fit, but that's okay. It has to fit this way to fit in these shelves down here. So you just take your fabric, roll it up, pull that down tight, flip it over, make sure everything's flat, pull it down tight. Now you just continue rolling for however much fabric that you have. And I do this for 1+ yards. Okay, then at the end, I take this, fold it under, make it flat, make sure everything's flat and nice, and then I take a pin and just skim it. Make sure it doesn't go through because it will poke you. And that's how I store my fabrics, and I will take you to the drawers in a minute and show you what they look like in there. But for fat quarters, now this is just a plain fat quarter, and these are from Walmart. They come, depends on where you get them. I undo my fat quarter, okay, and it'll be folded like this. I'm not worried about these wrinkles. I fold it over the longer way. One side will be longer. Then I fold it in half. Sorry, it's wrinkled. Then I take this piece and overlap the raw edge, like that right there. And then I just start rolling. Then I take a rubber band. I get these from Dollar Tree. They also have them at Hobby Lobby in the bracelets section. And then there's how I store my fat quarters. Now I'll show you what they look like in the drawers. So here are my bins from Walmart. The top has scraps, but I may have to take that out and put more rolls because as you can see, I have a ton. Okay, this is all my fabric that has to go in the bins. But anyways, this is what they look like folded in the bins. And so I can get quite a bit of fabric in there. And this is what I've been doing the last few days. So that's why there have been minimal videos. But anyway, this is how you store fabric on a very limited space.